Apollo.io and LeadsForge are one of the most talked about lead databases out there. That's why in this video, I'll compare them head to head so you could make your own data-driven decision to see which tool is right for you. We'll talk about features, pros and cons, and pricing so that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear winner that will help you sign more clients. Now, quick disclaimer. Yes, this channel is SalesForge, so you may think we're biased about LeadsForge, but no, I'll give you real information backed by facts that you can check yourself so you can make your own decision. I won't be shoving LeadsForge down your mouth. I'll be literally comparing pros and cons so you can make the decision yourself, not me. So without that out of the way, what is the main difference between these platforms? Think of it like this. LeadsForge is a search engine to find the best leads possible, right? It literally says that here. But Apollo is a whole engine. So you have leads, you have outreach automation, you have inbound, outbound, enrichment, like deal execution, right? So it's not as simple as it looks like. It's not just there to like get you leads. It's a whole engine, right? So that's the first clear difference. Now, another difference about lead generation is that Apollo is mainly focusing on filters. So if you ever used it, you know that you need to use a lot of filters to find your ideal clients, right? Industry, location, tech stack, company size, role, all of that good stuff. While with LeadsForge, finding leads is a lot simpler. You literally just type the lead that you want. For example, CMOs of tech startups in the US, less than 50 employees. And you get a list of leads that you can then enrich, get their LinkedIn profile, their email, their phone number, right? So basically, the difference here is ease of use. Apollo is for that more technical approach. It's an all-in-one solution. While LeadsForge is just simple. You type what you want, you get it. It's all about speed and execution. Now, like I said, Apollo is all in one stack, right? So you have outreach and all of that. Now, LeadsForge doesn't fall behind because LeadsForge is part of the Forge stack. So you have other tools like SalesForge for sales execution, InfraForge for email infrastructure, WarmForge for warm-up, and all of that good stuff. So if you're using LeadsForge, you're not going to be lost at sea without nothing to do because you can, right? Simply integrate SalesForge and you're good to go. So, okay, you may be thinking, Simon, okay, the apps are similar, so which one should I choose? Well, let's keep it straight. Let's compare the pricing and then show you which one to choose. For pricing, it starts pretty similar. $49 for 2,000 export credits or $59 for 2,500 credits. Both have free trials, although Apollo has more features. Inbound, data enrichment, deal execution. So which one should you choose? If you want all-in-one solution to have everything in one place and you don't mind paying per seat, then Apollo is a great way if you have the time to learn all of the setup, all of the complex filters, automation setup, and all of that stuff. But if you are already using the Forge stack, if you already have a sequencer that sends out emails, if you already have infrastructure, because Apollo doesn't, LeadsForge is the better choice. You get credit-based pricing, or usage-based pricing based on how many credits you want. Unused credits always transfer to the next month, and it wins based on ease of use because it's a lot easier. You just describe what kind of prospect you want and you get it. You also have company lookalike search, LinkedIn followers scraping, and all of that good stuff. Now, like I said, I'll give you verifiable data that you can check. So what we found with Apollo, you can check on Reddit, Trustpilot, and G2, is that the sequencer of it is not that great. So Apollo is mainly used actually just for data. So if you compare the two apps, if you disregard the sequencer, which is not great, then LeadsForge is not only cheaper, it's also easier to use. I'll leave a guide to LeadsForge right here if you want to use it. So check it out and see you on the guide.